Ladies and gentlemen, let's prep some dinner. So today on the menu we have pork ribs, garden salad, and chips or fries, whatever you call it. So in a small bowl, I mixed all my spices, a squeeze of lemon, and some mustard. Then I brushed everything on my pork rib. Then I covered it with foil and then kept it in the fridge for 2 hours. But you can also leave it for overnight. Then I started preparation of my potatoes. So after cutting them into strips, I kept them in water for 2 hours so that all the starch drains out. I then took my pork rib to the oven for 1 hour 45 minutes. Then I removed my chips from the water. And because I wanted them to be extra crunchy, I then sprinkled them with some cornstarch, then fried them using canola oil, but you can also use vegetable oil. Both of them works. I then fried my chips until they are crunchy or a little bit golden brown. Then I added some seasoning and they were looking so good. After 1 hour 45 minutes, my pork rib was now ready. I then uncovered it, then marinated it with some barbecue sauce, then back to the oven for an extra 15 minutes. And please don't forget, this time around when you are taking it back to the oven, it must be uncovered. And it was now time to prepare some garden salad because every meal deserves to have something healthy on the side. And I decided, let me not compromise on that. So I went in with this colorful garden salad, which just made my whole meal extra bright. And now everything was looking good and it was ready to be devoured. I then dished up and enjoyed this beautiful and very delicious meal. Ladies and gentlemen, it's all chocolate love.